Hello guys, so on this video you are going to learn how you can make $609 online. So all you just have to do is to keep on watching. So we are going to review this website that promises us this amount of money. So just keep on watching. Let me show you around this website. You can see the website which is called redmonkey.app. So when you log in this website or when this website opens, this is what you are going to be seeing. This is everything you are going to be seeing on the website homepage. On your smartphone, it might look different, but on your web browser, it's going to look different. So on your web browser, this is how it will look. So this is what I'm using right now. So how to join this program, what you have to do is to register. So to register, first thing you have to do is to click on the registration button. So once you click on the registration button, it's going to open this up. First thing you have to do, enter your email here, your password, and reconfirm your password, accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You can read it through because it's very important for you to know the platform and the website you are using. If you are collecting your data, using anything that concerns your personal information, you need to read them so that you will know about this. It's very important. So once you are done with that, the next thing you have to do is to click on I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. You click on the registration button and boom, your account will be created. So once your account has been created, normally they are going to send you an email. You are going to go to that your Gmail account you have used to register on this platform and click on the verification link so that your account will be activated. So once your account has been verified or activated, then you can go back and log into your own account. So I'm going to log into my own account, the new account I created in Redmonkey, and show you around Redmonkey and how you can use it to accumulate money online. So once your account opens, this is how it will look, and you'll be seeing the features or strategies that you can use to make money online. You can see this part on the part where it says search by offers name. So you can search by offers that you want to, like taking surveys, downloading applications, or any brand, search for them here. You can open the platform or the website on this place and click through this website which is called Redmonkey, and you can now start using it to make money online. But you don't need to do all those things by searching. All you just need to do is to search by category here. You can see crypto, game, survey, and quiz. Let us say we say okay, we'll click on crypto. It will show you the crypto apps, the things that are relating to crypto that you can go and start using. What you have to do is to click on the part where it said Revolute. If I click on it, it's going to pop this up, letting me know what I need to do to be able to complete this task. And once I complete the requirements, they are going to release the money into my Redmonkey app account. So once the money arrives, I can decide if I want to cash it out or keep on making money with this strategy. It works in the same way with the gaming tab. If I click on the gaming category, you will find applications and games that you can download on your smartphone, use them, and you are going to accumulate money by using all those applications. That is how it works in the same way with the surveys tab. If I click on the surveys tab here, all of them are working in the same way. All I need to do is to follow the step by step what they are telling me to do. And if I complete each task, I'm going to get paid in return by doing this task. It works in the same way with the quiz tab. If I click on the quiz tab again, it's going to open this up, showing me a bunch of quiz that I can participate on, and I will accumulate money at the end of the day. So that is how it works. And another way you can use to make money with this strategy is their referral program. So if I click on this, my icon here, and if I click on where it said affiliate, it's going to take us to the affiliate tab. This is now our affiliate link. If I copy this, my affiliate link, I share the audience, and anyone that click on it and register on this platform or this website, which is called Redmonkey, I will accumulate 5% from any earning that they make on their own account for life. This is not just one day or anytime they cash out, but anytime they make money on this website, which is called Redmonkey, me too, I'm going to earn money from them. That is how the referral program works. It's very, very simple. And let us say you have money on your own account and you want to cash out the money. All you just have to do is to click on the part where it said cash out. Once you click on cash out, here you'll find different ways that you can use to cash out your money: Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, and you can use Bitcoin. There is other preferable payment method that you can use, which is gift card that you can see Amazon, Netflix, Steam, Spotify. That is the strategy or the ways that you can use to withdraw your money once you have the minimum amount of cashing out. Minimum amount of cashing out is $1, which is 1,000 points. Once you have 1,000 points on this account, you can cash the $1 into your Bitcoin account, or you can convert it to a gift card, Amazon gift card or other preferable gift card that you can find here. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video. But before I end it, I just want to show you that you can see that you can just use this website from either from your smartphone, Android, iOS, and the Linux. So it's just for you to decide where you want to go and start using this website to make real money online. With that being said, guys, I will end this video from here, and I will see you on my next video, a way on how you can make real money online. Only what I'll ask from you right now is for just hit that like button, smash the subscribe button too, and leave me a comment if you have any question in mind. Don't forget to watch this video that will pop up right now, a way on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.